Okay, so we gotta. This is the Puricuff that you can get on the website. Put some product into the blind filter. This filter is blind. It has no holes. Put it over here. Close it. Now you turn it on. You build up some pressure inside, and then you shut it off. You see it's coming back from the bottom, and then you do it again. You just keep doing it. Then you let it stay, you open, you put on the other one. You do the same thing. Let it build it up some pressure. And then you see the pressure is coming back from the back? Look.
Very fascinating.
Huh?
Very fascinating.
No, it doesn't need to be fascinating, it needs to work. Then you open it. Then you do the same thing on the other side. Now, see the water's coming out better now. Then you shut it off. Look. And then you do it again. You just keep doing it a few times. Then you make sure everything else is clean. And that's my boy doing the video.
He ran out of words.
Let me close this. Huh?
You ran out of words.
Ciao. Ciao. Good night. Ciao. And then you do it again on the other side. Just keep doing left to right, left to right. Now, let me show you something.
Show us, please.
Now, to clean the washer inside, okay? That's what we do. Yeah.
Ciao.
You want to clean the washer inside? But you got it.
I'm so glad.
You got to just don't let build it up too much pressure like this. That's how you clean the washer. See the pressure start building up. To this group. That's it. We're done. Thank you very much.